Are you going to balance in there? Probably not. You balancing some sellotape. Good morning. It's 8 in the morning on the 23rd of December. I forgot to film this morning. Everyone is up, everyone is awake, and everyone has eaten something. Aria is still poorly. I think, like, we all had the cough. I don't know if you remember a few weeks ago, like me and Mika and Fox all had this horrendous cough, and Ari didn't. And I was like, how is the only person in the house with asthma not got the cough? And I thought it was because she'd had her COVID vaccine that had like boosted her immunity. But she's got it now, so she's had the sickness bug, and I think that's lowered her immune system, and then now she's got this cough. So that's crap, but she managed to sleep all night. I propped her up, and I put like everything in her bedroom to make it as mentally as possible. So she had a really good sleep. So she's just on the sofa. She's not going out today. I'm going to keep her in because it's a bit chilly out, and I just want her to try and feel 100% by Christmas. Yeah. My job's today. Nana's coming today. So while she's here, I'm going to try and get some bits off my shopping list. Some of this I don't need because we haven't used it, like, because I did a big shop and then we all got sick, so no one ate anything. So yeah, that's annoying, but it means we've got some stuff. So I need to just go through it. I need to go through my fridge. We're gonna have a look in the fridge in a minute, but you mustn't judge me. Foxy, we stopped his antibiotics. I can't remember if I said, because he had that, it just affected his tummy too bad. It was horrendous, but he has just pooped on the potty, which is amazing. And I'm very pleased because it was another horrible one. So it's much easier to clean off the potty than it is down his legs and up his back. I got myself a hard drive because my laptop was getting full. It's just off Amazon. It was like 26 quid, so I don't know what it'd be like. It's 2 terabyte. I don't really know what that means. But we'll see if that's okay. Yeah. I'm still a little bit like, oh, I'm in a bit of a blur. I don't know where my other glasses are. I put them down somewhere yesterday. And that's a hazard of having clear glasses, because you put them down and then you can't always see them again. So I don't know where they are, so I'm just wearing these ones for now. They make me look a bit weird. Especially without makeup on. If I've got makeup on, I don't mind them too much, but I don't know. Yeah, Mika's going for a sleepover tonight. And yeah, I just want to try and get the house ready. I want to rearrange this room. I don't like how it is. It just doesn't, for everyone, it's all right when it's just me and the kids, but I'm going to have like everybody sat around the table. I feel like it's just going to be a bit weird. So I don't know. I'm going to try and have a jig around. Oh, I'd like recommendations for paint, because me and the kids want to decorate the house. And I've used cheap paint before. This is cheap paint, and as you can see, there's just disgusting marks everywhere that you can't clean, because if you clean it, the paint comes off. So I want good paint recommendations, not Farrow and Ball, because I'm not a millionaire. But your best paint recommendations. Mika wants a plum. Aria wants a different kind of pink in her bedroom, and she wants flowers all over the walls. I want to paint my bedroom like either black or very, 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 very dark green. I'm not sure yet, including the ceiling. So any recommendations would be good. If anyone has any Pinterest boards with like bedroom inspiration on them, leave a link, because that'd be amazing. I love Pinterest. Yeah, I put some more pictures up yesterday. I took some down, and then I moved the two ones that aren't photos, that one and that one. They were on the other wall, so I moved them. I'm really pleased with that. Fox gave me a round of applause as I did it. The girls did me some art yesterday. This was Mika's. I drew the shape. I just drew the squiggles, and then she painted it. And then Aria's is in the living room, isn't it, Aria? I let them choose. She's very proud. I let them choose where they wanted to put it. And look at these. They're beautiful. I absolutely love them. So I put that picture up yesterday. I need to have a tidy up in here. I need to reset the fire. We need to get the Christmas lights on.
There are elves there.
Oh, I accidentally turned this so it's wiggly and I hate it. I like my lights to be static. I cannot be dealing with flashy lights. Is that right?
What are elves doing there?
Oh, Sparkle Fart was there as well.
Huh?
Have you moved him?
No.
Are they fading or are they just on? No, they're fading. I hate them. I just want them to be static. I think that's right. Here comes Sausage Boy.
Go!
Who pooped on the potty? Foxy, did you move Sparkle Fart?
No.
Where's Sparkle Fart gone then?
No.
Tell Mika. Let's tell Mika. Because he was there a minute ago because we put them on the sofa.
No. No, they're cold.
This is where Foxy likes to do his poops. He sits on his potty
Mika.
and then puts the curtain around him like that. There's a chappy. Mika, did you move Sparkle Fart? Because she's gone.
She's gone.
The others are there.
I did not lose Sparkle Fart.
Do you promise?
Yeah. Pinky.
Do you want to help them find her?
Yeah.
Right, you lot start looking and I need to do some editing.
Oh.
Hello, Angel Boy. It is literally like 20 minutes later. I was just sat at the table editing, and I looked out my window and a car pulled up and it was a black car and I thought, oh, that's very early for Ben's mum. And then I saw my friend Amanda go out and she's a new friend. Her little boy is in the same school and year as Ari. And we kind of just got chatting by chance at a party a couple of months ago. We're like soul sisters. She's just absolutely amazing. I love her to bits. And she just bought me a fucking Christmas present round. Just so lovely. Thank you for that. I did want Coffis all over me. What were you calling Grandad earlier?
Timmy.
Timmy?
Yeah.
Is he your favourite person?
Yeah.
Foxy has a hierarchy of people. It's Grandad just beats everyone. You know how you have a food that is your top tier food? Grandad is the top tier person. When Nana's here, he wants Nana. If Grandad's here, fuck Nana. She doesn't exist. Grandad's your favourite, isn't he? Yeah. You excited to see Grandad on Christmas? Yeah. Right, Mummy's going to finish editing. You want a snack? Little weirdo. Right. This is the before of the fridge. I need to go through it. Mika's going to help me and just organise what we've got. This is our list. There's not a lot on it. Some things on there I definitely don't need because I can see them in front of me. We just didn't eat them this week because of all of the vomit. I'm out of the house for the first time in a week. Woo! I've only come to Longwater in Norwich because I need to beg Marks and Spencer's to let me get my food today so I don't have to go and collect it tomorrow morning with the kids. And as I was about to leave, I realised that my car was leaking oil all over the driveway. And I was just like, fuck's sake. So I rang the people, because obviously I've only had the car for 3 weeks, rang the company and they said, oh, get a diagnostics done and then I'm sure we'll pay for it. And I've rung every garage and they're like, yeah, I can fit you in the new year. So I don't know what to do. It says I can literally drive for 10 miles and that's it. And it's only 2 miles to get here. But I'm meant to be going to Ben's parents on Boxing Day, which is 60 miles each way. So I don't know what I'm going to do. But I'm now going to go and beg Marks and Spencer's for my food. Wish me luck. I'll tell you what happened to Marks and Spencer's later. It's absolutely hammering it down. I need to go and do the cat poo, which involves going out to the catio. So I'm in the 80s. Ensemble. They'll look cute as shit. Hey, it's 4:30. I'm just making Ari and Fox some fairy toast. Mika has gone to her best mates for a sleepover for the night. So she'll come back tomorrow. I can't remember what I was saying earlier on. Oh, oh my god, they're dirty. I went to Marks and Spencer's, didn't I? So I went in and I explained to the lady, and she was like, oh my god, let me see what we can do. So she took me around to like the orders collection bit, and they were so lovely. And they knew why I was trying to get it a day early. And they said, if we've got enough here, then you can take it, that's absolutely fine. But they didn't. They had 2 of the things I ordered, but not the other 2, which were the main 2, like the pudding and the starter. So they said tomorrow I can go whenever I want. They'll keep it from the beginning of the day when they open till end of play. So I can take the kids later on in the day. I don't have to drag them out in the cold in the morning in their pyjamas. So I feel a bit better about that. But they were so lovely. I managed to get some croissants that are still good for the date, because croissants don't last. And like sometimes croissants will literally be okay for the next day, but these were alright for like 5 days, some of them. So I was pleased with that. So I got croissants for Christmas Day morning for me and the kids. And then I went to Sainsbury's and it was absolutely hellish. It was horrendous. It was so busy. Like, it took so long to park. And there was just, it was just absolute carnage. So I'm pleased it's done, but it was awful doing it. It was just no fun whatsoever, and I love a food shop. So I did that, and then I came back, and then Ben came to see the kids, to see Mika before her sleepover. He's just given Aria and Fox a bath. His mum left about 45 minutes ago, just before they had a bath. And I think I'm now just cooking. He's just up there with them while I cook their dinner, and then he's going, and then he's going to come back early Christmas morning. So then they can open their presents with him as well. And then his parents are coming around at like 9:30, 10 on Christmas morning, as they normally do. But my car has an oil leak, which I can't remember if I told you earlier on. I noticed that there was oil all over the drive. Just spoken to my next door neighbour's other half, who's like my friend. My next door neighbour's like a builder and knows about cars and stuff, so he's going to come around in the morning and have a look at my car. But she's told me not to drive it, because she was like, if you drive it and you run out of oil, it can like completely and utterly break your car. So none of the garages can fit me in anywhere until after Christmas to get the diagnostic done. So at the moment it doesn't look like I'm allowed to drive the car, and I need the car on Boxing Day to drive to Ben's mum's, because she's hosting Boxing Day, and we were going to go and see my mum as well. But now it looks like I can't do that, which is crap. So I don't really know what's going to happen. So I don't know. I just don't really know what to do now, because nobody can fit me in to do the diagnostic and nobody can fix it. So me and the kids are just now stuck in the village. We can't go anywhere or see anybody. We're just going to have to rely on people coming here, which I don't really like doing, but yeah. I'm going to give the kids their dinner. It's just eggy bread. That's just what we call it in our house, fairy toast. So it's just literally bread dunked in beaten egg and then fried in some butter. And it's delicious. The kids love it. And Aria's tummy still, she just doesn't want to eat anything. She's just like not hungry, and she's really tired, and she's got a sore throat and a cough. So she said she wanted fairy toast, and like she's literally not eaten anything all day other than like a couple of like nibbles of crackers and cheese. So this is what she wants. This is what she can have. So yeah, I'll talk to you in a bit. My hard drive thing is working, I think. I'm moving stuff. It's, what time is it?
Hi, Mother.
Hi, Bubby. You okay? It's nearly 6.
What this?
I don't know, what is it? Is it a game? He's watching something, trying to wind him down for bed, because you saw Daddy today and you got...
A duck.
As a duck, you got a bit excited seeing Daddy, didn't you? And your juice is going to spill.
I'm not there.
I don't know what you're watching. Looks good. Little Coffee McCofferson. You're right. How do you feel? Bah. I've got her, I've got the menthol crystals going in here again. She's got Vicks on her feet. She's just had some Nurofen. What are you playing?
Dinosaur.
Dinosaurs. Cool. So yeah, Sausage Boy. Oh, Bubby. Sausage Boy's gonna go to bed in a minute. Squeaks is not there. Squeaks is at Eva's house. Yeah, the heating's on upstairs, so we're just gonna stay upstairs now, even though it's only 6 o'clock. I don't even care. The cats are fed. The litter boxes are cleaned out. That was so annoying having to do that in the rain. I need a better system out there. Like, they're cattier. I need to make it bigger so I can actually walk in it. I was having to like duck down and do it, and none of the lids fit on their cat boxes. If anyone has indoor cats and has litter boxes with lids on so they can stay dry, send me some links, because there's so many different ones out there. I just don't know what to buy. Like, I've got 2 different ones and they're both crap and the lids don't stay on them. But they've got 5 litter boxes now between 4 cats. And I normally do it like every 3 days, but it's been nearly a week because I was poorly, because I did it last Saturday and then I was going to do it again on Monday and we all got sick, and then it's not been done till today, which is Friday. So yeah, I need to sort that out. Oh God, I feel like I've been through the ringer today with that going to Sainsbury's. That was just so horrendous. It was not fun at all. Oh, excuse me, I just had a English muffin for dinner. My lips are still absolutely revolting, but they are drying out. So this one's dried out, this one's dried out, this one is about to dry out. And I haven't had any more tingles. Touch wood. Touch wood. I'm hoping that is the end of it now. I'm like nearly 3 days into the antivirals. Oh, happy Christmas Eve, Eve. I forgot to say it. Although you're not going to see this until Christmas Eve. But the thought's there, and I will see you tomorrow.